You see, say, when they tell Igbo people something, or people something, they hear what? Lagos is no man's land. Lagos is no man's land. Lagos is no man's land. Now, so now go they talk. Now, the reality now don't set in. Look at the news now. Now, the Yorubas, they have approved the renaming of every street to their own indigenous names. If we dey talk some things, una go dey talk say, no. If you go, in fact, I don't know wetin I go talk. If you even go Alaba market, go some of these places, you will see say some people, our people still dey rent shop. Some they even dey build shops. They go hear this news. You know say, wetin kpai your papa and mama many years ago, you have to know the reason behind it and make sure you don't fall into that trap. Shebi Ojukwu those days talk, came to trade fair, say, Ewu kwenu, in tell una goat kwenu, una dey shout una in tell una, one una this matter about investing in Lagos or any part of Nigeria aside east. Don't be innocent motors, take for Newi and other top people. People will be say they get money past you. Una they feel say they not get money past them. I'll be waiting. You wait they open shop for Lagos. You get money passing us, and many of them wait there for Anambra. Now they don't rename these streets now. They don't rename them. That one, this one, that one, they don't. That one is already. In fact, they don't start the thing already. Go and check. Maybe your brother with the Lagos. Ask them now. Say how far. Whether that's true. They go tell us something. I don't go here. Stop investing in that Lagos. Leave Lagos run, carry your thing. In fact, if they carry your things bit by bit, you don't need to carry everything. If they carry them bit by bit, till you carry and finish. Go to East, invest, support. In fact, I don't know how I go take talk about this thing now. But some of my videos, I don't see where they talk about this thing. When they demolish, I talk about that time, they demolish on our property. Say, we could not use that period, run back. I remember that thing happened towards December month period. They tell me this thing, I know here. Nah, the reality don't set in. You see what they tell now? We could not stop today, invest for Lagos, or even Osun State, or Ogun State, or even Kaduna, or Kano. Pack your things back. If they tell you, say, if we, what if the country, you know that the country, if the country divides to what of your assets, your brother, Oga, tell them direct. Shebi you, will be Yoruba man, you get you, maybe if no be you, that's your rich Yoruba brother or sister. Shebi she gets property for USA. USA don't touch in property. The answer is no. You get property for UK. They have properties in UK. They have in Australia. Have the Australian government tamper with your property? That tells you how dead. In fact, how I don't know the word I use. How bad person fit be. This Nigeria, that one Nigeria, you know they help. When they talk, they don't like you in a simple thing. If they love you, they go they do all this rubbish. If you are really one Nigeria, they go come wake up in the morning and say, I rename everything according to Yoruba language. How would it talk at if you like yesterday, people from California go say, want to rename, we want to rename the streets of California after the New York names. So California people will say, these New York people with our state. We want to rename our street with California names and not New York names. If you hear that kind of thing before, if you hear that, or Chinese will say, this our Beijing. They go say, Beijing. The ones for Beijing go say, we don't want we want to rename our street to with Beijing names. Upon say the big, yet they are one because they have the same value. We don't get same value system. Now we don't understand. An average Yoruba man and monarchy system they practice. An average Fulani man they practice feudal system. When I go school now, an average Igbo man they practice Republican system. So we don't feel cohabit. All these things gonna happen. Understand? Make take care.